We live, brother.
Yo, what up,
Yeah.
guys?
What up, y'all? It's G here. This is Trippy with me. I got him today. How you doing today, Trippy? We feeling how you feeling about the market?
Uh, doing all right. Been looking at the market from the sideline and just gathering a lot of intel for y'all.
And cash, piling up on cash for the dip.
Yeah,
Dang. Well, today's live stream, you cool with talking about some Polestar and some I wanted to do stock market update and then we could do some EVs. I think you had some DD on EVs too, right? You wanted to chime in on that?
yeah. I got some DD about certain EV companies and it tying it to China and
Yeah.
their financial uh situation right now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you wanna before we start, you wanna do a freestyle or what's up? You got a beat we wanna drop? If you guys don't mind, hit the like button for us. We do this
Yeah, let's do
off the
it.
dome. Alright, bet. Hey, play something up real quick.
Hey, Fredbo, let's
Yeah,
go.
yeah, get a beat. Uh
Hey, yeah.
uh
Hey, yeah, hey, 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 listen, hey, from the rack. Now I live in the burbs. Don't play with me, cause I'll still leave you in the dirt. Grab the pistol and leave you in the past. Then I roll up. Now I'm smoking these trees, drinking Hennessy. Got ecstasy in my cup. Riding down your block, trying to look for the ops. Yeah, remember back then I was dumb. Now I'm dumb, but I'm hella stacked. Hey, yeah, 223s to the face. Me, G, riding in the Challenger, aiming at your face. Yeah, hey, and we're buying puts. Every single blue chip going down. Yeah, I'm off the Molly. I'm off on the Molly and the party. I'm gonna shoot up the party. Got the shorty over here giving me a toppy. Hey, yeah, now I'm finna go off. Remember back then I had nothing, now I'm up. Yeah, remember GGG hit that 100K lotto play with AMC. Now I'm up here trying to do the same thing. Yeah, hey, yeah.
damn. You got one, you got room for one more?
Smoke exotic to the brain. Hey, smoke exotic to the brain. Got my mind froze. That's it.
Hey, cut it. That shit was fire.
Yep.
Hey, how we get rid of the bot? I'll disconnect. Damn. If you guys like that beat, make sure you hit the like button. What's going on with everybody? Hey, Matt Harvey said you think to buy more PSNY or sell. How you feeling, Trippy? Let's take a look at the chart, shall we?
Let's do the TA.
Alright, let's do the TA. Hey, but if you guys like that beat, that freestyle was Off the Dome featuring Trippy. Make sure you hit the like button. Go check out his channel. Wait, you don't have a channel? Check out the Discord. Check out. You haven't made a Twitter page either yet, have you? Damn. You gotta get on that, brother. So what's up with the TA? What's up with the TA, Trippy? How you feeling? So we just broke new lows. So I'm feeling low-key bearish right now. Let's just take a look. Yeah, nobody's buying right now, I don't think. Hey, Brian Reyes, what's up, bro? Hey, why you plugging it? What's up? What's up with you, brother? Good evening, my friend. What's going on with the PSNY? What a rapper. Hey, they giving you clout for that rap, boy. We're gonna do one more freestyle at the end. Yeah, did they catch that one? We're running back. We got another beat. Maybe you can meantime look up another freestyle beat and we'll plug it up. If you wanna go on mute, I'm gonna handle the DD real quick. Before we talk about Polestar, let's talk about the stock market, what's going on. And I think first let's just watch a video real quick. Shall we just plug this video up while we look for that next beat?
Yeah.
I bet we got this.
Markets just was asking you about what your expectation is for the inflation print in September, and also on those real estate numbers that we've seen come in. Is that the one indication that the Fed is having some success?
Well, so first of all, I do expect
You're
that
on mute.
inflation will cool again, and I think the market will be happy with that and satisfied with
Yeah, I'm
that,
on mute
but the
now.
Fed won't be satisfied yet. And the reason is because they want to see a trend of inflation coming down, and they want to see it coming down at a pretty quick pace. So if they want to get to restrictive policy, you can look at that a couple ways. You can call restrictive
Let's do it.
some Fed funds rate above neutral. So if we're at neutral right now, they need to raise the rate above this to be restrictive. You can also look at it as the Fed funds rate being above the inflation rate, which, as we all know, there's a long way to go before that happens. But I do expect inflation to come in cooler when we get that news on September 13th. We need to see 3 consecutive months of month-over-month declines in inflation before I think the Fed will feel comfortable saying, okay, maybe we can slow down, maybe we don't have to go as far as we thought originally. Now, as far as the data that's showing whether or not it's working, I think that there has been more than just the housing market showing that it's working. We have seen a softening in a lot of different activity indexes, and you've seen some softening in certain parts of the labor market, but not the job openings. So that really matters. Now, if you look at PMIs, which is manufacturing activity, many of those have come down. If you look at consumer sentiment, although we got a good reading from consumer confidence today, sentiment has been coming down over previous months. So there has been a lot of softening, especially in the housing market, but you could argue that the housing market was one of the most overheated areas, and the higher things go, the further they can come back down to earth.
Yeesh, I'm gonna cut her off right there because she's saying too much already. But yeah, basically right now we're waiting on data, and the sentiment's negative, right, Trippy? We got some hawkish film.
At the moment, yes. And to follow up with Polestar, there is some bearish sentiment playing out at the moment, just because the market is selling off heavily. But let's take a look at the brighter side. Retail is not selling. Retail is still holding on, is still hanging in there, guys. So that is a positive factor. I do believe markets will not crash unless retail also starts to sell off in bulk, you know?
Yeah. I was gonna say, even if the market sells off, the company's good, so I just get a good opportunity to buy some more. What do you think? Buy the dip. But I would say the consumer confidence is coming down a little bit just because of we don't know what's ahead. So a lot of high growth and stuff, tech and stuff, all that's actually getting sold off. But I think that's the overall stock market. Should we do the SPY really quick? Actually, let's take a look at the levels for SPY.
Yeah,
So I'm thinking we come down to 390, 394. So what I did earlier was basically the Fibonacci retracement. You familiar with the Fibonacci, right, Trippy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we do it at the bottom, go to the top.
Make that triangle starting from the beginning of the year again.
Yeah, the descending resistance.
Right yeah, let's take a look at it.
I got you.
Yeah.
We called this out way back then, huh? Am I right?
Yeah, we did actually.
So, basically, what this is doing is basically the sell-offs are getting more aggressive, and we've kind of been covering that. So we're
starting to lose resistance.
You mean support?
Yeah, support.
Yeah. Sorry, my man is high as fuck right now. Wait, did you smoke it or no? I can't remember.
No, I'm sober right now.
Oh damn. Yeah, he gets his support and resistance confused. He's not from here.
Yeah,
so.
Same shit, you know.
Yeah, same shit. Support resistance flipping.
And if you look at the RSI, it's cooling off like crazy.
Bro, this is the OBB, but yeah, I feel you on that. Come on, dog. You true.
Hey,
same shit. But no, for real though, we pulling back. We broke the 38 Fibonacci retracement. I think the next one is a 0.61, so that's looking at 394, really 390, because that's psychological number, right? But let me get all that out of the way. What I do want to talk about, so that's just a little bit of what's going on with the market. We got data. It's the stock market's data driven, but and that's going to bring all the electric vehicles down, Tesla, Polestar, Lucid. So you get the idea of what's going on with the market and how that's affecting everything else. But I wanted to talk about 7 EVs to buy ahead of a green tidal wave. What are your thoughts? I want to get your thoughts on what you guys feeling about these. Or you guys think these are bankrupt companies? Or you guys think these are real and can sustain and get to the promised land, which is the green tidal wave? You think they'll make it? They'll live long enough to become successful? I was there, yes sir. Wait, where was he there? I forgot. Ford. So Ford, I think might be legit. What are you thinking, Trippy? Give me your ideas here. Breakdown on Ford, Fisker, Lucid.
Ford might get a. I feel like the government really likes Ford, so I feel like there will be insider trading about Ford, and there will be investments for Ford. I'm pretty sure there have been investments made to Ford from the government.
Yeah, and they'll probably get, like you said, insider trading. They'll probably buy some stuff.
Yeah,
and
because
then
I do know they want Ford to be the leading EV for the U.S., I believe.
you think Lucid will make it? Brian says he's seen way more Lucid cars.
Um,
I haven't seen
and
any Lucid or Polestar cars, but
I
I do
haven't
know
seen
Polestar.
any. I've seen Lucid and Polestar, but not a lot.
Yeah, you seen
But I haven't.
Teslas?
I see a lot of Teslas. Yeah, I live an hour away from Tampa, actually.
Yeah.
I've seen mainly Teslas, but I have seen some Lucid and Polestar cars as well.
Bet. I want to talk about Mullen too, because this is one that you were kind of hyping up for a while.
Yeah.
Mullen Pole, battery development crucial. I don't even think they have a car out there, my brother. Why were you pumping this one? I know you were insider trading this.
Who, me?
Yeah, you were pumping it
Oh,
up and
then
then Mullen.
the squeeze play. Everybody hop in.
Hop in, everybody. This is not
Hop in
financial
the squeeze.
advice. Where's it at
Oh
now?
no, you want to be rich? You better buy that shit up.
Yeah, there's only so many shares, so when they get it, it's gonna start popping. I think I like Polestar the best, just because it's only $7 right now.
Mullen
Lucid,
is 60 cents. Come on
50
now.
cents. Yeah, but they don't have a
60.
car out there. I've never seen a Mullen truck, a Mullen sedan or nothing.
Yeah, I have.
You've seen it for the renderings or what on the website?
No,
Where
I've
did you
seen
see it?
one in Florida.
Oh shit! Where?
Yeah.
Have you seen a Rivian?
Yeah, I've seen a lot of Rivians as well. The trucks.
Okay. So that one's probably gonna sustain and make it into the next world, right? The new world. Should we talk about the new world in this live stream, you think?
Maybe in the freestyle.
Maybe in the freestyle? Okay, bet. I was just gonna talk about, I guess, overall stocks. Everything in electric vehicles getting sold off. It's getting smacked. But Polestar did have something that came out just like the other day. I think I posted a tweet on this. So they're basically trying to push some marketing incentive, and it's basically $1,000 until the end of August. I don't know if they're having trouble selling the car or what's going on, but I guess this is just an update to see if they can get more orders in for the US. Yeah. EV sent an email on Friday announcing $1,000 on incentives for all Polestar 2 orders in the US, valid on retail customer orders from 26 to the last day of August. So I think that's pretty cool. Just a little kickback for the people that are buying this. Yeah, like I said, till the 31st. So it's not a huge percentage, but it's just a little something to incentivize people to buy stuff. The only thing I want to say with like EVs and stuff, I think it's going to continue to be a pretty hard market for everybody other than Tesla. Because they've kind of already got their systems up and running and stuff. But like for startups like Lucid, Nikola, I mean, I haven't seen it with Polestar yet, but maybe even Polestar, where they need to start maybe raising up more money, right? And actually, we talked about how Polestar was raising up money, and they were doing it through reservations. But straight up, Lucid and Nikola just they wanted to do a cash offering, so they did a shelf securities filing on Tuesday. Plans to raise funds through a 400 million stock offering, and then Lucid, well, that's Nikola, my bad. And then Lucid's doing an $8 billion stock offering, basically, for the next 3 years. So that's just the management saying, we don't really care about the investor. We don't care about whoever's investing in this. We're going to dilute you. Am I right, Trippy? What are you thinking?
Yeah, something like what Elon did with Tesla.
Go on. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, that 3-to-1 split. I feel bad for anybody who voted for that.
Why is that?
Because y'all just gave Elon more money and more dilution power.
Yeah. So it's not really dilution, but it's a way for them to pry the stock up more, right? Because then people can get in again and then try to run it up.
Yeah, but then Elon's gonna dilute.
Or sell. Not necessarily dilute, but just sell his shit.
Yeah, sell his shit. Same thing.
Yeah. Damn, bro, you've been smoking a lot. Arrival, Canoe, Faraday, these are all pretty much bankrupt companies, I think, are just a few of the EV SPACs companies facing a cash crunch. That's just because startups taking a lot of burning cash, a lot of cash to start up the stuff. That's the good thing about some of the Tesla, right? They've already got their system and stuff. Polestar is kind of in the middle. They've already got pretty decent number of deliveries, but their cash balance isn't the best. But yeah, I would be concerned with Nikola, Lucid, some of the ones that down here that I kind of highlighted a bit. These are, I think, bankrupt companies. Lucid is kind of, I'm not sure if it'll bankrupt. Do you think it'll bankrupt? How you feeling on this one? You said, yeah. Brian said he's seen the Riverview. I've seen a lot in Riverview. Oh, the Rivians? Probably he's talking about the Rivians. But yeah, don't let this confuse you guys. I think dilution is bad no matter what. Files for $8 billion. And
that's Tempo.
Huh?
No, I'm pretty sure Riverview is somewhere in Tempo.
Oh, okay. I think he's talking about the Rivians. So look, the 8 billion represents nearly 30% of Lucid's current market cap of 27 billion. So they're diluting the investor pretty heavily, my guy. Like, isn't that crazy? Let me zoom in so y'all can see this. Filed for a mixed shelf offering, which it may sell different types of securities in one or more separate offerings with the size, price, and terms to be determined at the time of sale. So they're not exactly just like doing it right off the back, but they're preparing themselves to dilute you guys. So that's not good. So don't get fooled by people saying it's gonna happen. Kind of like similar with that BBBY with Ryan Cohen. They said, oh, he filed the SEC filing, but he hasn't sold them. And then the next day he dumped everything on everybody. So I'm not saying that's going to happen tomorrow or yesterday. This came out yesterday, by the way, or in the morning. I'm not sure. But at some point, I think Lucid's going to dilute and it's going to hurt the stock price. So moving on to next news. NIO stocks sinks. I think you had DD on this, Trippy. NIO, what were you saying about? You just said they're going to have trouble or something? Well, before I show this one, actually, let me do something really quick. Warren Buffett pairs BYD stock position ahead of China.
NIO is projected to make more cars than Tesla this year.
Okay. That's gonna go against my DD actually, but that's definitely. Where'd you find that one actually? That DD. I was gonna say. Go ahead, King.
Huh?
No. Oh fuck, we have a mid interruption. We got another freestyle by Trippy. You gonna go on it? Off the dome?
Hey. Yeah. Hey. Me and DG riding on the Tesla, going super fast on the fucking Tesla, going 70 on the Tesla. Try to catch us if you can't. Last week I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grand. Can't you see I did that in the Bebop Syndicate Discord? Yeah. Shout out to the free plays, join it now. I remember back then I didn't have a dime. Now I got a couple grand in my account. Yeah. Hey. Wanna smoke some weed?
Come on, dog. Is that it? Is that it, Trippy? You got one more verse in you. I don't got nothing lined up right now.
Hey, doing the whitey, doing the yeah yo to shorty butt crack.
Ooh.
Alright, that's it, boys.
That's it. Cut it. We'll be back for more in just a little bit. That was the halftime show for y'all. We had Trippy on the dome, on the mic, tearing it up. And yeah. So let me get back to some of this. What's up? You about to smoke a bowl?
No, about to roll a joint.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Hey, when he rolls the joint, he gets the real DD out, so y'all need to stay around for that one. But really quick, he was talking about NIO and stuff. I wanted to talk about Warren Buffett, the GOAT. He has a stake in BYD stock. Basically, he's selling all his shit. BYD stock dived Tuesday. A regulatory filing showed Berkshire Hathaway sold more than 1 million Hong Kong listed shares of the electric giant BYD. So these guys are supposed to, I think, report sales later this week. And he sold ahead. So what is that telling us, guys? Well, NIO, XPeng, Lead, they're all doing their numbers this week, I believe, as well. And I think maybe he knows something. I don't know. But
I want to throw in some conspiracy. Usually, before a big rip, insiders like to dump so they don't get involved with potential like insider trading or getting involved with like some crime.
So you think it's gonna do the opposite? You think it's gonna rip?
Yeah. If we do have a spy pump, because I do see that we do have some room before we touch the Holy Grail.
What is the Holy Grail though?
The Holy Grail is where you hit the closest, or where you pass the last all-time high.
Oh, so breaking new highs. So what's that called in meme terms? Holy Grail?
Yeah. Ain't that right?
I think so. Yeah, you're right. So hold on, I'm looking up. I was thinking my man, the GOAT, Warren Buffett, was selling stuff because shit was gonna get pretty ugly for deliveries. Remember, they went into lockdowns like all of like, what was it?
2020?
No, this year might like like all of 2022. Am I right?
There were lockdowns this year?
Yeah, on China stocks. In China.
Oh, yeah.
All summer, but they're doing August numbers, but they just started doing
I can't
lockdowns
relate
again.
because we didn't have we barely had no lockdowns in Florida.
Right. Yeah, no, we don't get no lockups around here. Unless we go into prison, you know? But
Yeah.
we
Get
stay
in
away
that
from that.
dick.
That's you, dog. Come on. Hey, y'all can miss me with that money talk. The money talk. So what happened with NIO, you think? So released August numbers. And then shit, hold up. So the reason I wanted to talk about Warren Buffett is because he sold his Berkshire Hathaway. They sold the BYD stuff, and then they got their numbers coming out. So maybe he knows something. And also, on top of that, that's just showing us that maybe there's not the demand that we thought there was, right? So maybe
you think Warren Buffett does insider trading?
I don't think he does. No, he doesn't even do it. He doesn't. But he's just getting out of it. Like he's selling his shares of BYD because maybe he doesn't think the demand's right there right now. Because let's be real, China's
what
in
about
like
Kathy
Wood?
Wood? She's in the water right now, right?
Yeah, she's a meme, bro. Kathy Wood's a meme. Like you do what the opposite.
She lost everybody's trust. I feel like she was respected for a little while.
She was for a bit, yeah. But we were in utopia in that time. What's that meme? We were in the
grace period.
No, we were somewhere else. Meme. What was it called?
I mean, yeah.
Utopia.
A mutant. 2021 was a
meme.
hell of a year to make money, man.
Yes, sir. You made hella money too, Brad. Am I right?
Yeah. You did too.
Yeah, but then I lost some, you know, so I kind of fucked up. China Association. Yeah, let's not
Hey,
talk about 2021. We're gonna play another one in a bit, and let me get through some of this because the viewers at home are gonna get mad at me. Brian said, "Hey, yo, what's up? What's up? What's up?" First half of 2022. I'm just saying, I think deliveries might be bad because they were, they're like in lockdowns now again, right? All of August, so their deliveries are gonna be bad. Let me see if I can find the DD on that actually. And the other reason I'm bearish right now, kind of on EVs, this is showing us there's no demand, and then also
hey,
they
show
got
the stream this.
so he said Dutch bank cuts.
Hey, show my camera to your stream.
Let me see. Where's it at? It won't let me see it, big dog. Let me wait. Actually, I got you.
Got my camera.
Here we go. Here we go. Hey, that's trippy. Are we allowed to show this on here? What do you think? Oh, this nigga in here? Come on. We got Brian.
I'm not
here.
sure.
Hey, Brian's trying to hop on. What's up, dog? Come on. Hop on. What you got? You got the DD. We talking Neo.
Basically,
DD
I'm still at the moment, at the time being, because I haven't looked at any charts in a while. Looking at Tesla's charts, it is bearish in my opinion.
You think so? Let me pull it up. Tesla. Somebody said we were going at 360. I couldn't remember that. But yeah, we broke down, my guy. So I think it's GG for this one. We got a gap fill down here. Let me go and plug.
Yikes.
Yeah, you know what happens with gap fills, right, Trippy? What happens with gap fills?
Yeah. We go down. It looks like we're going down to probably that 250 range.
Yeah, where that gap is. That's what it looked like. Now we got some support here, so I mean it's not like straight gunning down, but it's gonna get there. This is crazy though, because it kind of looked like a huge ass cup and handle. You see the cup here?
No.
You don't see the cup?
Oh, I do. I see it.
Yeah. And then, hold up, somebody's texting me right now.
There.
You see the
Come here.
cup?
Yeah, the cup and handle.
Yes, sir. It's right
Cup
there.
and handle,
So,
boy. It's breaking the cup and handle.
it's breaking the handle, yeah.
To the downside.
Right. So that's bearish, my guy.
Bearish, yeah. And it makes sense. We are in a bearish turnaround at the moment.
Right, we pivoting. The trend changed. So that's
So
Tesla.
guys, don't forget, I still believe that even though we are in the short term, we're probably going to go on the downside. What is SPY at right now?
Like under 400. So actually, let's talk about that.
Oh, shoot.
SPY is under 400. That's not good, right?
All right, guys, I'm not bearish anymore. Sorry.
Wait,
I'm not bullish anymore.
Oh shit, you scared me, dog. Trippy's never wrong, y'all. But basically, I think 400 was like a big pivotal psychological level. Right?
It was. That 400 was, if we could have sustained that 400 throughout this whole week, next week would have been bullish.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
When did we break down 400? Was that this week or last week, Friday?
That was today.
Hell, man, we're fucked.
Yeah, I think so. You think it's a straight shot down? No, Ben's gone, bro. And it's Brian. It's not Ben. Is Brian still in here? No, he dipped. Damn. So let's do a recap really quick, because I want to try to stay as clean as I can here. We just looking at some of these potential high growth EV companies. We got Fisker, Lucid, Mullen, Polestar, Rivian, Tesla, and Ford. The big
there is a class action lawsuit going on with Molev Automotives right now.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, for dilution crime.
Fuck. Come on. Bro.
Wow, I'm serious.
That's not good.
Mullen should have squeezed, but these motherfuckers at Mullen doing some crime shit.
Yeah, they're doing some crimes, bro. Yeah, this is done. This is gonna come down here to 50 cents, brother. Come on, you need to pump this.
That shit, man.
Did you sell yours or no?
I'm still holding 1,000 Mullen strong.
Oh.
But my position was only like $1,000 worth.
Oh, you chilling then? That's gonna be worth like $10 soon.
Bro, Mullen's going to like shit.
What do you think? How
Can't
much
even
you think?
say on stream. It might say insider trading.
You think so? Yeah, hey y'all, this is not financial advice. We're not trying to get in trouble with Gary Gensler.
Man, I
You know
dare them to
Gary.
find me.
Yeah, fuck Gary Gensler, bro. He ain't done
Dare them,
nothing for
come
that.
slide over here.
Hey, Gary ain't done nothing for the apes, brother. What do you think?
Man, Gary's dick sucking Goldman Sachs right now.
What about Kenny?
Bro, Kenny, I swear, man.
Both of them,
Kenny
bro.
Kenny's something else. I don't even think he's human.
He's in Florida. He's like your neighbor or something.
He's in Miami, bro. Don't.
Okay.
I'm not going. I don't fuck with Miami. Hella crime there.
Oh yeah, a lot of Puerto Ricans too, bro. You gotta stay away from them.
Hella insider trading there.
And you got Lou down there too, ain't he? Lou's a criminal, ain't he? Oh fuck, he's gonna fucking send me a lawsuit now because I talked about him.
Lou, yeah, I'm cool with Lou. We've been chatting.
He said the squeeze is dead though. He was chilling the other night.
I haven't watched his videos recently just because I've been busy.
Hmm.
But yeah, I'm not
You're
I'm
not Abe
just
no more.
I have my blue chips, I have my meme stocks, and I still have a lot of dry powder in my portfolio.
And you got
That's
the
why
Diddy
I've been
stock.
Yeah, that's why I've been just like in the sidelines
You've been
for a
chilling,
little while.
just training the dogs, right?
Yeah,
You a dog.
training the
You a
dog.
dog trainer now.
Yeah.
You want to show him a picture of your dog, little Scooby?
Yeah, sure.
Where's it at? Man, I got so
In
sidetracked.
the
Dude.
vibes chat.
It's gonna be all right though. It's gonna be all right. Here we go, guys. We got Scooby right here. What y'all thinking? He's got the night light vest. Y'all can see him at night.
Yep.
He's a killer. He's a killer, bro. They gotta be careful with him. I don't
Yep,
think anybody else could have
straight
trained
K9.
him. I think if anybody else would have trained him, bro, shit. I don't know, big dog.
I'm training to kill, man. He's gonna go crazy.
All right, let me get back on track, dog, because people watching this later are gonna get hella mad. Today, this is just a chill live stream. Nothing like, I think I talked about
low bacon stream.
Investors have good EV stocks to buy after the new tax credits. Nobody cares about the tax credits anymore. Let's be real. Everything's in the shitter right now. Everybody, like, I think these are just stocks to watch, but these are not stocks to buy right now. Right now is a trader's market. What do you think? Just buy options, sell options, but it's not a good time to go long on like things for a long time. Am I right, Trippy? What's up?
I didn't hear what you said. What'd you say?
Never mind. I'm just saying, Lucid and Fisker, they're not good. It's not a good time to invest in some of these.
Come here.
Polestar is kind of debatable. I got a little bit of bias for it. Mullen, criminals, so no, stay away from it. Rivian, I'm kind of iffy about Rivian too still. Tesla, I think is good, but it's huge ass bubble, so I would stay away from it. And honestly, Polestar, I wouldn't say not stay away from it, but yeah, just be careful, cause we broke new lows, right? So let me go back to the chart.
Yeah.
We broke new lows. We ain't got no support right now. Everything's fucking flying down the hill. Like, am I right? So I would just wait to see something bottom out, like something like this, like when you start like trading sideways, get a nice little round table. And then maybe, and I think one of the homies was a Big Kahuna. He's not in here right now, but he said inverse head and shoulders. So just kind of wait for something to start rounding back out. And then maybe you can start buying calls or shares, maybe retouch the $10. But right now, I think everything's so steep. I would just kind of chill for a bit. People want to know what the sell-off was about, though. I think it's just the general market. General market, you think?
No, sell-off has to be false flag coming soon.
What you mean?
Sell-off has to be false flag coming soon. That's what sell off, I think, in the markets right now.
I don't get it. I don't understand those terminologies, brother.
I'm just saying we'll see in September. Probably.
Oh yeah,
probably,
we're gonna get Trippy. We're gonna get him on here. What day is it? When are you coming on?
September 2nd.
It's a big day for everybody, so y'all need to be on here. We got a lot of DD
Everybody
to
needs
cover
to tune in for the show.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications, so when he goes live, y'all get the DD. We were right about what were we right about? Yeah, everything, right?
Everything, basically. SPY going to 420. Saying if SPY's still at 400, then we're still bullish.
Right, and we weren't, so we were not bullish no more, right?
Right about Amy, Jimmy, Mullen.
Not Mullen though, because they're criminals over there, brother.
Yeah, sadly, I'm still holding.
Damn, he's got diamond hands though. That's how he was raised. I'm gonna shift back over to fuck. I keep going back to this article. I need to stop looking at this article. So we did a rundown on Polestar and stuff. Basically, the news that they have is 1,000 incentive. Then we talked about Lucid and Nikola, basically diluting the shareholder, which is not good. And people saying it's it's not as bad as it is. It is bad. I mean, at some point you're gonna get hit with the $8 billion
all of these,
dilution.
all the EV sector is getting attacked basically.
Yeah.
Really hard at the moment.
Right, and even the homie Warren Buffett.
That's just basically due to supply and demand, and inflation, basically.
Right, and even like I'm saying, like Warren Buffett sold, and he's done the DD, bro. He's done the DD, and he was bullish on BYD. Let's see where BYD is. What's the BYD?
Let's do the TA on it.
Yeah, it's a over-the-counter stock though. So he sold off at the highs. So he basically scamming people right now.
Highs was like. When did he buy?
Near the he bought a long ass time ago. Like
wow, but this is a really good pattern on the yearly.
What do you mean?
A lot of like rise and
peaks.
Rise, yeah.
That's a head and shoulders. Doesn't it look like a head and shoulders?
Head and shoulders pattern.
Think it's a head and shoulders. Shit.
Yeah.
Damn. Is that a bullish pattern or a bearish pattern, Trippy?
Depends. It looks like for right now it looks we can't tell if it's bearish yet because this is still a bullish pattern in my opinion.
In your opinion.
Yeah.
I was gonna say there's a little gap right here. It probably comes down and fills this gap. It's another $1. This thing doesn't really move though. It moved $4 today, but honestly it never really does anything.
Come on, you wanna go inside?
But I think the main thing with this news right here, Warren Buffett selling BYD, is like shit's gonna get crazy with the EV market. Even NIO, the Dutch bank, they cut their price targets ahead of their August delivery. So that's our two back to back. China, or Warren Buffett cuts BYD.
Shout out to everybody tuning in to the stream.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Make sure you hit the like button if you can. And what's up with this? Yeah, so NIO's looking bearish right now. And then we gotta look. This was the hopes that people were looking at with the stock split. The first one was really crazy, right? And now people are trying to get, maybe even Elon wanted a second run on the stock split. So Tesla hopes new investors go for the ride after stock split. Things are different now, am I right?
Things are very different because, like I said, I believe next month we're gonna see a major catalyst that would take the stock market going down.
Yeah, and everybody's afraid. People gotta eat. Everybody's afraid. I don't think people can afford electric vehicles.
Inflation
right now.
is at its worst for every country. Famine.
Who's that?
Weather. The famine and the weather.
Yeah, and the droughts. There's tons of droughts too. Let me show him this video real quick.
Analyst Emmanuel Rosner is out
Yeah, I'm saying too much because we should save that for the real DD stream.
Yeah, you're right. Let me show him this real quick, big dog.
Break. Let's call up shares of Tesla. Deutsche Bank analyst Emmanuel Rosner is out positive on Tesla after spending a week with Tesla's team at the new Berlin Gigafactory. Sounds like an awesome trip, says Rosner. We came away with the sense that Tesla's new localized vehicle production in Europe could be a game changer, making Tesla an even more formidable competitor in the region, while likely boosting the company's gross margins. Rosner's $375 price target on Tesla assumes 30% upside from current price levels.
You think that's true? 30% upside from where we're at right now for Tesla?
Possibly. There is remember people were believing in the EV sector while the market crashes.
Mm-hmm.
There might be a.
But people can't buy Teslas right now or EVs right now. People are trying to buy food and gas.
You see, I feel like EVs could be more affordable when there's a cashless society, probably.
What do you mean?
Well, I feel like when you exchange dollar currency for digital currency, I feel like the digital might have a little bit more power leverage over the dollar. And
so
maybe more people can afford a Tesla like that.
Yeah, so are you bullish on crypto and stuff or what?
No, not at the moment. I feel like we got more. A couple days ago, Bitcoin broke a really key level. And ever since then, we've been staying at 20,000.
On crypto?
Yeah, for Bitcoin. I do feel like we can hit 16,000,
yeah,
14,000. That is when I'm going to buy the dip. Recently, I've been stacking silver. I'll show you. I can show you my silver coins, but
put it on the...
I have.
Hey,
no, I said
my bad.
I meant to say I would show you my silver coins, but they're locked away right now in a vault
under the bunker. Invest money saying, why would a currency affect mineral or mining prices?
Because minerals are more valuable than a dollar.
So that's like gold and stuff, or what?
Oh yeah, that's what the whole bricks, is that what it's called?
Yeah, the gold bricks and the silver blocks.
That's what all of this is for. They're trying to dethrone the US dollar and have gold and precious minerals like uranium, silver. They're trying to set that as a international currency, basically.
Yeah, I'm actually bearish on crypto too. I think 16 is what you're saying, right? I could even see maybe 12 or 13K. What do you think? Those batteries are smashing EV manufacturing cost. Ugly stuff. Yeah, a lot of the... I think a lot of the supply chains and just like the imaginary demand that was there, like everybody was pumping up the demand for something that wasn't really there. And so they were paying hella prices for materials and batteries and stuff. And now demand's gonna like come down like tremendously, and people are gonna have to take cuts on the materials, right? Does that make sense? Like basically they were buying, just bidding it all up, all the material and stuff, all the batteries, because of all this demand that they thought was out there. And that the demand came from basically Powell printing tons of money out. So now people had buying power, but really that demand is gonna go poof soon, right? And then now a lot of companies are gonna have to take like margin cuts or losses. Like that's basically what happened with Walmart and Target and stuff. They had to take cuts on their inventory because nobody was buying shit anymore. All they were buying was like the essentials, and so they were taking a big L on like TVs and electronics and shit. But yeah, am I right, Trippy? What are you thinking about that?
Yeah, I do feel like in the new world, things will be different.
Mm-hmm. South Korean investors acquire a massive stake in Tesla. One family bets all their savings. Is that a smart move, you think, or a dumb move?
What was the title?
South Korean investors acquire a massive stake in Tesla. So they're probably already down. This came out a few days ago, August 29th. They put a whole bunch of money into...
yeah, shit. What they buy, calls? Shares?
They decided to invest all of their $230,000 of savings into Tesla shares.
Bro, that ain't shit. Why are they talking about this?
What do you mean that ain't shit?
200K?
Yeah. I mean, it's an article by I mean, it's more than
I'm
what.
not. I'm saying like why is that such a like a news headline?
That's what I'm saying. But I mean, it's money. It's just like Korean investors. I don't know. I don't think
Maybe
it's just a
because
family.
it's a family.
Maybe 200K is a lot in
Well, but yeah,
Korea.
maybe they. What could they be basing their theory on? Do you think? Is it in the charts? Is it in the news?
It's
What do you
not.
think?
They're just saying the couple was forced to sell their home in 2019 to find a bigger one, but were unable to find one. So what? Yeah, everything just went up. What's up? What's up? Invest money. You may have already touched on this, but do you know if Polestar is announcing financials of some kind end of this month? I think they are supposed to do their halfway year
Let's talk
numbers.
about it.
You know about it? Talk about it. I'm gonna look that up though.
Yeah.
I know. I think. Let me see if I can find it. But one of the homies plugged me up with a screenshot of an email. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Then I'll show it to you. It was Azu. He showed me this real quick. I'm gonna plug it up in the new stream. How do I open this in a new tab? Yeah, I think they're planning on reporting some sort of numbers. Basically, I don't know if this was him who emailed them, but oh shit, I went in too deep. Thank you for contacting Polestar Investor Relations. We will report half year financials in the coming week or so and start regularly quarterly reporting Q3 onwards. Only having listed at the end of Q2, we expect to disclose Q3 date with the HY results. This is from Bojana. She's like those. I don't know. She's like the money making chick, money tracking chick. So I don't know if that helps financial or financial investment money. But Tesla, money making chick. Yes, sir. Isn't that what she do? I forget. So yeah, that's what they're gonna do. Fuck, I don't really have anything else. We talk. Let me wrap up some stuff really quick. We talk about the general market, consumer sentiments coming down a bit. Tech is bleeding, due to high rates of fears.
Can I show you the Mullen DD just because it's EV related?
Yeah. Any EV DD you got?
It's like a quick YouTube video about the crime.
Yeah, is it like somebody else's YouTube video? Because then they'll clap me.
No, because I know this guy. I'm gonna ask him for permission. It's all good.
I mean, I can plug it up on the side really quick. Let me quickly give these fellas a quick recap though. So we were talking about stock market sentiment changing, the tech bleeding off, high growth bleeding off just because of fears on the high rate hikes. Then we're talking about just a generic EV bucket list here of what to watch and stuff. And really, Mullen's corruption, so stay away from it. I don't know why I highlighted that. But Polestar seems to be pretty attractive. Lucid, we were talking about how Nikola and Lucid, they're basically diluting the investor. And then basically 30% of the dilution is they're diluting it by 30% basically. Their market cap's 27 billion and they're doing like a 8 billion share offering throughout the years. So not instantly, but it's gonna come down. And that's just because they got shitty management and stuff. And then we were talking about Warren Buffett, and this is more like related to China stocks. And this
sent that DD.
Bet. And then Warren Buffett selling his EV stakes. So that's just showing us what's going on with like just the generic EV makers, NIO, XPeng. So they're all going to be doing delivery numbers and earnings this week, next week. So he's getting ahead before, or he's getting out before any of that shit goes down. So that's just an idea of what to expect. And then on top of that, NIO got a price reduction on this bank, or price cut basically, to 39 from 45, which we're nowhere near that. So I don't even know how reputable these banks are because we haven't even touched that. And then we were talking about false hope on a stock rally based off the stock split, and I don't know if we'll actually get to 360, 375. And we got those numbers from another bank analyst who gave a boost to Tesla to 375. So I don't really see too much upside right now on a lot of the electric vehicles. And then, of course, if we just talked about the massive stake in Tesla, which is not too much, but I guess something in Korea is a lot more than it is here. But I think in the short term, we see more downside. Longer term, this might be a good investment, right? But oh, there was one other thing I had here. Tesla's hit with another class action on phantom braking issues. Basically, this thing was like stopping on its own for non-existing obstacles. So there's a lawsuit on that going on. So just, it's in the media, basically. Now let's talk about charts. Oh, you wanted me to plug some DD real quick, right?
Yeah.
It's a video.
It's in the trippy shit.
Oh, this is the God pill, bro. Can't plug this dude up. If I can. It's a 6-minute video. This is God
Yeah,
pill.
the first minute is the most important one, though.
Is this God pill? God pill? Or is this fake God pill?
That's my friend. Put it.
Is that God pill, or like somebody else God pill?
The God pill, the one who called bank
everybody?
on the June 2nd?
The one that fucked up everybody. Let me. God pill, the AMC guy.
What's up, guys? I just had some
He's
Chipotle
not
in
AMC,
the hot
brother.
sauce, making my throat act up a little bit. Normally, I like hot sauce. I should be fine.
Talking about hot sauce.
So, right now, what I'm working on is a Word document that categorizes and screenshots all the important information about the Mullen dilution vote, and much more than that as well. So, like all the tweets that David Mishry has put out, everything that happened with Hindenburg back in April, the fact that like we didn't really solidify that they were wrong. We had a couple tests done on the battery, but not what they promised us, and it still leaves a lot of questions out there. And in my opinion, all of this was to demotivate retail from buying Mullen stock and prevent a squeeze. But I'm going to show you how sketch this looks as far as what happened with the dilution vote. And yeah, I mean, if you were having questions whether you should join this lawsuit, whether this is frivolous or not, I think this might answer your question. So,
Hey, what was that about? I stopped the video. Talking about the dilution is rigged.
My bad, bro. My dog just started attacking me.
Hey, what's up with the God pill though? The DD with God pill. Did we talk about the DD with God pill or no? That was just a video.
Did he get to the point in that one?
I just did a minute, like you said.
Yeah. Basically, the insiders are diluting the stock in a illegal way.
Oh, so they shouldn't be able to do it.
Yeah.
This is what I got. Let me clear. So basically what I have here is a double top, and then we broke down here. I mean, it took a while to break, but after breaking down, the distance for us is going to be here. Copy that. So it would be estimated to be like, we talked about this in the DD one time too. So they might be close to the end, like low 7s is probably the low end for Polestar, I think. Then maybe we can start doing this sideways movement, start finding the bottom, right? And then basically after that, we could do the inverse head and shoulder, which you guys were talking about. So we could retrace back to like $10, maybe get rejected, and then get that breakout like that, something like that. What do you think, Trippy? So this is the double top. This is the double top here. And when you break down the neckline here, then you get the distance from here to here, down here. And so that's like low 7s, I think, is the bottom for Polestar. But if they start diluting like Lucid or Nikola, then things could change. But that's what I'm seeing right now for Polestar. What's going on with? Let's take a look at the MACD on the daily actually. Yeah, still selling off. Still selling off. So once it crossed over here, it started selling off. So yeah, not bullish on Polestar right now. That doesn't mean it's not a good company, but let's take a look at Tesla. We take a look at Tesla. No problem. So we saw the cup and handle with Tesla here, basically. Right, but like Trippy pointed out, we're basically breaking the cup and handle. So we had a cup and handle here, basically breaking down now. So this would be bearish. We'll probably come down to 250, I think. Wait, are you bullish or bearish on Tesla, Trippy? We were like bouncing back and forth, and then we finally broke down. And from a bigger time scale, we had the cup. So that's why we're bearish right now. And it also looks like we're trying to cross underneath the 200 moving average and the 50 moving average. And these are on the daily. And last thing on here is we got a gap fill down here. So we could end up filling that gap at some point. It looks like the closer we get to that gap fill, the more likely it's going to get filled. So that's Tesla. What we got next? Lucid. You guys want to talk about Lucid? We're basically wrapping up, guys. But if you have tickers, we can put them up put them in the chat. We'll take a look at them. Lucid's. I'm not a fan of Lucid. I don't know why it was ever trading up here. Take a look. I haven't charted this up. We had a head and shoulders pattern up here a while ago. It was a shoulder, a head, and then another shoulder. We basically already broke down. So I would say we're bearish on Lucid, especially with that recent news. It's actually down 6%. Wow. Yeah, I'm still be bearish on it. Do you think we come down to $10, Trippy? Or are you still with your dog?
I think we can hit $10
for Lucid.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on the dilution?
Lucid dilutions? When was that announced?
Yesterday or today? Yes, sir.
Wow. I think
dilution good or bad?
I think retail might start selling off then.
You think retail's gonna start selling off? Because they gotta eat, right?
Yeah, they're probably just gonna make other plays in Polestar.
Yeah. You think they'll post them on the Bebop Syndicate Discord?
Yeah, no fake shit though.
Yeah, no pump and dumps. Like Mullen. I think we're coming down here at $13. I think $13 is in the future for sure. We've already broke like the even like the recent lows, which is 1530. We're already breaking underneath, so that's nasty. And it's down. Oh no, it's up after hours. Yeah. So I don't know if it's gonna straight sell off. It could. I think $15 is gonna be a strong resistance or support just to get underneath it, but it actually came. Did it come to the low? Yeah, it broke 15. So yeah, I think puts on this thing should be nice. But what I would be looking for is maybe a little dead cat bounce. What you feeling on dead cat bounce in here? All right, like a dead cat bounce, and then maybe actually get the puts for the real downside. Let me undo all that. How you guys feeling though? How you guys feeling? And I still ain't made a for Rivian. I haven't even looked at Rivian's chart in a while. Oof. This one's still holding up for some reason. This would be a nice put up opportunity here if it starts breaking underneath 30. We got a gap fill down here. Gap fill down here. I'd be looking for downside on this. This is holding up for some reason. Crazy how it's holding up actually. I actually might get some puts on this thing soon. If it's gonna be just consolidating here, not really break down, we're gonna get a bigger move to the downside. So the more that it consolidates for us, the further the drop is gonna be, I think. If it does like small consolidation, then I'll do a baby drop and then come back. What else we got, Trippy? What you got on the books? You found another beat?
No, I thought you were gonna find it.
No, it's gotta be copyright free. Or you want to do that other one that I had? I gotta find it though. Do you guys want a freestyle? One more freestyle?
Yeah, let's do it.
Wait, I think we're done. Do we have any other tickers to put up? SPY?
AMC?
You want to do AMC? Oh yeah, I did see AMC. Do AMC.
You said you had some DD for Amy, remember?
Yeah, it was this. This Head and Shoulders.
Oh, that's it.
That's bad.
No, no tinfoil hat DD.
No tinfoil hat DD. All I saw was the Head and Shoulders here. Like a shoulder, a head, maybe another shoulder. So we might get one more run back up to like $10 or $11.
Okay,
and then maybe we break. So maybe that's when you cut your losses for good. What do you think? Or you think that's
where I buy more.
Why would you buy more there? Might as well buy more here.
Guys, the squeeze for AMC would be next year in January.
That's what they said last year.
Yeah, I didn't say that though.
I mean, I think we hella sold off, but we held this uptrend here, which it might be a good time.
I think Ape is a good thing for AMC.
Why is that?
Because it's gonna. Adam Aaron knew that the shorts will the hedgies will make synthetic apes to short ape. So when it's time for them to cover those naked shares, which would be in January, they're gonna buy back the stock of ape, and then that's when they're also gonna squeeze AMC, and Adam Aaron can dilute the ape, but he can't touch Amy, or he won't touch AMC. You know?
Yeah, I wouldn't touch Amy either. You're gonna sell it? When are you gonna sell?
I'm probably selling when the squeeze starts.
When is that? Like when you said next year, right? January?
Yeah.
What's your price target though? I know it's not financial advice, but what's your price target?
400.
So you be doing how much? How much? Huh? Like how much percent return on that?
Like 1,000,000%.
A million gazillion?
Let me see. Let me do the math.
Yeah, do the math for us. I'm gonna see if I can find that beat for us. I think it was this one actually. You ready for this freestyle or what?
Oof. Yeah, I would make like how many zeros is that? I would make like
oh
like
damn
1.5 mil.
I just saw Boogeyman said he's done with the market and the Fed and GGPI. Damn, he's big mad right now. What happened? Talk to me. Something happened with this. Who's in here right now? We got 4 viewers. You guys hit the like button if you can. We're just chilling. Are you ready for this beat or what?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, is this it? We're gonna wrap it up with this one.
Yep, you go first.
No, you go first. I don't got a beat on me.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my
Yo, what?
Did I kick him out?
Yeah, you. Let me disconnect the homie.
I
What
meant
happened?
to kick out the music bot. Fuck,
Yeah.
join.
All right, go ahead. What happened? What happened, Boogeyman?
Bro, have you not seen the price of that shit?
Yeah, it's down.
It's
But-
down a lot.
Really? But the DD's been done. The downside's almost there. What do you think? I think low sevens is the low.
Yeah, but what's gonna happen now? Like, it's gonna bounce to 8 something? Like,
And then come down again. Well,
I bought
you know,
I bought a 10, so like I'm down.
30%.
Yeah.
I thought you sold. Remember you told me you got out.
No, I sold, but I rebought. Like, I bought low 10. Like, I think it was 10.05 something. Like, but I was actually like thinking of selling, like 2 weeks ago when it went up, but then
Then you
fuck,
got
man.
mad. Yeah. Well, you gotta think about the market conditions. The overall market conditions. They're changing. The dynamics, right, Trippy? We ain't at the same time no more. This is a new
But,
time.
I mean, what's the dynamic now?
We're bearish. I think the only thing
bearish
that's
as fuck.
You
The
think
only thing-
we're bearish for all the EV stocks?
I'm hella bearish on Lucid, Mullen, Fisker, and what else? Arrival, bankrupts. All these are probably bankrupts, I think. What do you think, Boogeyman? Let me pull these up again really quick. Where's the list of
Lucid
stocks?
bankrupt? Nah.
I mean, diluted for sure. They're gonna dilute. They'll probably wait. Trippy, didn't you say they're gonna get bought out?
Yeah, I think they're gonna get bought out.
Lucid?
Yeah,
at what
by
price,
like by like Facebook or something.
What? Probably by Apple, not Facebook.
Oh, Apple too. Yeah, whoever.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, but I don't know. Oh, Lucid.
What are you gonna do with your shares, Boogie?
The
You selling?
Polestar ones?
Yeah.
I don't know, but
honestly,
like if it goes back to 9, I'm selling at 9. Like even though if I lose about 10%, fuck it. But
Yeah. I think this is near the bottom though, for Polestar. I haven't looked at the short data on this actually. Let me look at that. It was supposed to be a squeeze. I took a big L on the options. They expired August 19th. Still have the date.
I'm just waiting like for the
look
day
at
where
this.
everything is fucked. Like, everything is just down. I'm waiting for the day.
For the day on Polestar?
For everyone, like pretty much the whole market, because that's the day when I'm buying. I actually
What have you been buying?
No, I haven't bought anything now, like, but I've been saving. So like, once I'm start buying, like, actually probably will be my biggest investment.
So what is your how's Germany doing? Just give us a insight on what's going on with Germany. They say winter's gonna get dirty nasty. like energy, utility bills. It's gonna get bad. Is that true, or is it getting there already?
I mean, I'm from Sweden, but yeah, Germany is the same with whole Europe. The what you call it, the electricity prices basically is gonna be like for winter. This winter is gonna be like
really
record
bad.
breaking. Germany is gonna be here hard, but they even said we in Sweden like, the bill is gonna be crazy.
But you're gonna be a part of that, no? Like I know you're in Sweden, but
Yeah. I mean, my bill is already like $100-something, but it might go up like actually more.
yeah. So why don't you buy like oil stocks or something like that? Or I know you were telling me about that Brazil company, PBR. Is that still a thing or not?
Yeah, but I'm kind of bearish on oil now too.
You're bullish or no?
Nah, bearish.
Oh, you're bearish on oil?
Yeah.
What about like?
What about
I'm bearish on everything, to be honest. But PBR is doing good actually.
Yeah, that's still where you told me to buy though. It hasn't really done much. This was a good time to buy when it came down to 12. I think we were.
But it came even down to 10. I think 10, 11.
I was gonna say wait, were you gonna say something, Trippy?
wasn't Russia threatening you guys if you joined NATO?
Yeah, but it's not gonna happen. Turkey, they're gonna put stop now to it. I mean, the Swedish people don't wanna join NATO, so just the retarded government that wanna join it.
Is your government is corrupt too?
This looks good though.
It's not corrupt, but it's trash. Like this prime minister we have, they're actually retarded. Like they just been doing crazy taxes on diesel, gas, on everything. Like they raised taxes for the salary, like everything. So they really dislike, like they're trash.
Do you know if Sweden gets their oil from Russia?
Yeah. We get it from both. Everyone in Europe get it from Russia. Like Russia is. We also get some from Norway, but majority like it comes from Russia.
Oh, okay.
What do you think? What do you think about the midterms and stuff for 2022? I think that's gonna push the market up. That's what they've been saying. So I know you're bearish, but what are your thoughts on that? You don't think they're gonna?
But I think so go ahead.
No, I was gonna say, doesn't that make you mad? Cause you're bear right now. I'm a bear too, but it's gonna be so frustrating when they push the market up off of these midterms and Powell just continuing to pump it up. Isn't it gonna irritate you too?
Well, my gut saying that we're gonna have another one soon, but then everything around November, December, that's when shit's gonna go down.
Yeah.
Because I think I mean just based off my work right now, like where I work, but Volvo's not doing good. They're having last month they had one of the worst orders. Pretty much people are not buying cars right now.
Right.
People start saving money. They know something's gonna happen. So soon these companies they're gonna start laying people off, and that's when everyone has crazy debt. All these loans and shit they've been taking for the past 2-3 years, they're gonna be screwed. Yeah. So I think around January, December, late this year, January, that's when we're gonna see bigger crash. I think that's when the shit's gonna happen.
Wait, when? You said November?
Yeah, from November upwards to January, February. I mean, January usually it's a bad month for stocks in general. But
January.
Yeah, January, because people they do this lost tax thingy.
That's December. That's in December.
This late December, start of
task harvest.
January.
The task harvest.
Yeah, so usually the market goes shit, and then now with all the things going on right now, but I think that's when then I don't know, like maybe we go on a bearish and then become bullish again, and I don't know.
I mean, I think once shit hits the fan, it's gonna be GG for a while. Like, where's the SPY at right now? Like, if we start breaking these lows down here, this, what, 360, it's gonna get nasty, man. It's just gonna change the sentiment so much. Like, I think it's already kind of changing right now, but once we break, you know, this support down here, we're pretty close to it right now. But that's why I find it hard to believe that we keep going down before midterms, right? That's why I feel like this area right here will probably be the short-term bottom, and people might buy it up into midterms, and then just depending after, however everything, you know, after time and December or whatever, then we'll actually come back down even further. Are you seeing the screen? I'm not sure if I shared the screen.
Yeah. So this bullish run, when is it around? Like in September?
Well, it just depends how far we. Probably end of September, because isn't that when Powell speaks? So, but then also they say that October's a bad month for the market. They say September's a bad month for the market. So that's why I would say downside for September, and then end of September Powell speaks or whatever. And even if we're bearish on the market, I think Powell will find a way to like say something good for the midterms, and then we'll probably start going back up. It might not be a straight shot, but it might be like some nonsense, I think. It would just be hard to believe that we break these lows going into, I don't know, is my shit buffering? Okay, my OBS says it's disconnected.
No, it's working fine. I just want to share this.
Okay. Are you gonna share something?
No, I'm gonna link this. Do you know Chicken Genius Singapore?
Yeah, the Chinese guy. Come vent in the VC.
Chinese.
Yeah, the Chinese guy, right?
Yeah, is it from Singapore or China?
The Singapore guy. Yeah, he quit. He got like bullied or something.
Nah, he's back. He's back, but yeah, he is super bearish right now. Like,
I don't watch him because he made most of his wealth off of Tesla and stuff, and then all of a sudden people were geniuses, you know? And then it's like you look at the portfolios and they're like, everybody's like made wealth, but it's like, oh, you made it off of Tesla, so it's like, you know, the knowledge that people have is not really as much as they, even though they have good returns, they got lucky off of Tesla, you know? It's not that they know what they're talking about, but I don't know. That's just me kind of on my thoughts. What did he say though?
now I was showing this balance sheet from the Fed.
Mm-hmm.
It's basically like you're saying whatever the Fed say right now, they're just bunch of lies, you know. Like,
yeah, there's no credibility in the
it's
Feds.
talking numbers here. Like, you have to watch the video, but basically they're saying the Feds are fucked. Like, there's no way they can save it right now. Like,
no, there's no way. And actually, the market going up and stuff, that's making it harder for them to like tame inflation and stuff. That's what basically, like the whole purpose of this, like, you know, interest rate hikes and stuff was to control inflation and stuff and make just equities come down, and then everybody pivoted here because they misread, you know, a statement from Powell, and CPI came down for one month, you know, and people think, you know, the bottom's in, and so now it's just made like shit so much harder for Powell and everybody. So I'm like bearish on like the whole economy and the system and stuff, but it's like so unpredictable with like the algos just buying in, and you know, Powell like finding a way to like say something to make the market go back up, and then the midterm elections and stuff, right? So they're gonna find a way to like move it up, I think. What do you think, Trippy? Trippy's got like the big politic DD.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I agree with what Boogie was saying. We might start seeing a turnaround for the worse around November, early next year. And I'm not so sure about the midterms because I don't know. I don't know how they'll pump it when it's just like so bad. It already looks so bad.
Yeah, that's like the thing is they played already the job card, like them bragging about, oh, we're creating jobs, we're creating jobs. Because the last job report it wasn't that good, right? And where's the next job report? It's coming out next month, right, or something like that. I don't know.
I think there's something Friday.
Bro, I think it's gonna be trash because now all these jobs they created, like in the what you call it, the industry, like like restaurants and stuff like that. All these jobs now, because of the vacations over and people back to school and back to their 9 to 5 job, they're gonna lose all the job. Like all these people that got hired extra for the summer, boom, they're fucked, they're gone. So now, like, I don't think this report is actually gonna be good. I don't see how they can rig it.
That's a good way to put it as well because just like how it happened in the last recession in 2008, people lost homes and their jobs.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, if the job numbers come down, you say like there's gonna be more jobs out there or less jobs, like more jobless people.
Less jobs. Yeah, much less jobs.
More jobless people, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Because I
Because
think that would be good for the market because that's what they want. They want higher unemployment. Because if there's employment out there, then people have buying power. Then that with high employment, they have buying power, right? So people are gonna keep up the demand on stuff. So it's not gonna bring any of the goods down. But with more unemployment, where people don't have buying power or jobless, then inflation will come down because.
but that's not what the Fed is supposed to do, bro. The Feds, part of their job is creating jobs for the people. So higher. That's why like this retard Biden, he's been bragging of like, oh, we created 6 million jobs. Oh, my election is the best. Baby. Now, like, what is he gonna brag about? Like, there's no more jobs. People losing jobs now.
Yeah, I see that. I see that from like a politic view. Like he not creating jobs is going to be bearish for the politic view, but for the market view, it'll be bullish because then it's telling them that inflation could start coming down. But yeah, it's crazy how Biden said they made jobs, but really he just brought everything back to pre-pandemic levels. Like, let's say there was like certain amount of jobs in 2020. Basically, those jobs that we lost during this whole thing is the jobs that he quotation made. So he really didn't make new jobs. It's just the jobs that we lost during this pandemic sell-off. So we're basically back up even to job creation.
Bro, I gotta say, Biden has to be like the worst president. Like, probably. I mean, I don't know if he beats Bush, but he's so bad.
Yeah,
fucking retard.
Yeah. So I guess for September you're gonna stay bearish. Like coming down to what? What do you think the SPY comes down to?
You're gonna be playing the SPY, or what you gonna be looking at?
Oh, me nah. I'm just gonna honestly. I'm saving up money. Like, I have a good amount right now that if I put, like, I'm gonna take the risk, So if I make it, I make it. If I'm fucked, then I'm fucked for like for a while. But I'm just gonna wait and see. Like, I have few stocks that are like I'm buying them whenever the shit goes down. Like, I'm buying these stocks.
Oh, so right now you're buying stuff, right? That's what you're saying? You're buying.
No, I just created a list like where these are my top buys. This is gonna be my portfolio.
Okay.
Because I believe like these actually will do really well once we back to normal.
Right. So
now I'm just chillaxing. Like, I'm just watching, seeing what's going on, and I think there's more downside. So just gotta wait.
What are your stocks that you're and what price targets are you looking at for them? Just curious.
I mean, they're cheap. They like around 10. less than 10 too.
Which ones are they though? Like, and what are they? Like, just curious. I'm not judging you or anything. I'm just curious to know which ones you're interested in.
What can I stream? So I can show you.
Yeah, you can stream. I can share it to the people in the back too. Stream. The stream might come bad for
are you showing it? Are you showing it to the stream?
Yeah, is that cool or no?
1 second. No.
Okay, I haven't.
I might dox myself because she's gonna show my name.
You can just give me the tickers, and I can pull them up here. That's what you can just give me the ticker names, and we could talk about them.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go big on the lithium stocks. Actually, lithium stocks, they've been doing really good like this year.
Yeah. What would be your top?
They're barely down. Most of them are actually up 30-50% this year.
Lithium.
Even with all the downside. Yeah, pretty much everything in my watch list when it comes to lithium, it's been doing really well, even with this whole crash shenanigans going on.
Like, out of like your whole watch list, like with everything, right? What are your top 5? Like, if I told you to buy 5 stocks, like on a crash, what would you buy that you've got on your list? Like, it can be lithium, it can be EVs, it can be whatever. Just your 5 stocks. What would you pick?
I would buy Alchem Ltd. It's a
LTD? Is that what's the ticker?
LKE.
LKE.
AKE. This company, it's a lithium company from Australia. No, AA. Not L, A. Like Adam.
LKAA? Wait, are you still watching my stream or no? Okay.
Oh my!
Yeah, you can watch my stream on Discord.
Yeah, I'm speaking. No, remove the LK. It's A. Remove it. No, remove everything.
Alright.
A, K. No, remove the A. Wait, let me tell. Where's the chat?
Hey, put him on the chat, yeah.
Yeah, just K now. Then E. Where's the chat? The web chain.
Put it in the voice chat. Yeah, put your top 5 on the voice chat, and I'll... AKE? That's it? It's Alkayam Limited? Hey,
Yeah, Alkayam Limited.
$14. It's at the highs, too. Have you been buying this one?
I actually bought it and sold it. But yeah, I was looking at this when it was like $8, $7.
Yeah.
I made profit, but I sold like at 10 something.
Lithium Chemicals Company. So you would have been up another 40% about if you would have held.
Yeah,
it's
this
a
company,
lithium company and located in Boris producer with a global portfolio of diverse lithium chemicals. Founded in 2005, headquartered in Australia. Eesh, this thing's strong.
Oh, check how much they make. This is like a billion company. Like this valuation right now they have 12 is actually fair. I mean, it could be higher, but before when it was like $8, something like that, like it was a crime because this is a billion company.
Yeah, it's a $8 billion market cap, almost $9 billion right now. You said how much they make right now?
Oh, they're making the billions. Like check the last year. Last year's earning was crazy.
800 million. They grew hella fast too. They made 265. They made 265, and now they made almost $1 billion. 800. They had pretty big growth. 65 million just 2 quarters ago. They're growing like super fast. You think this has to do with the EV demand and just I think there's like a fake demand going on around. Like there's really not all the demand that people are saying, especially when recession and everything. If it becomes something, then it's gonna like the demand's gonna disappear. It's gonna go poof because people are gonna try to buy a food that they need, not a car that they want. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean right now the lithium itself, like it's actually overpriced because there's not enough mines,
Right. So
and so yeah, it is overpriced, and because of it, all these companies are overpriced too. So yeah, it's gonna go down, but how much? Now the demand though, there's gonna be demand, bro. Like,
yeah.
because right now, like I think in EU, if I'm not wrong, by 2026, I think there's gonna be like a law that every car manufacturer has to be switching to some sort of hybrid, cars, like no more fuel cars, basically.
Mm-hmm.
And that's by either 2026 or by 30 something.
You don't think other companies will start picking up on like lithium and stuff, and like maybe manufacturing or like buying out these companies and try to producing their own stuff? Like, doesn't Tesla try to make their own stuff now?
Yeah,
No.
that's why there's this new the Northvolt Polestar one in Sweden.
Mm-hmm.
They're gonna like they're gonna start make their own batteries, but
Right.
from what I understood too, they're gonna like make a deal with some company that they're gonna get like exclusive lithium from that mine or like from that company. So yeah, I think there's gonna be like seeing more stuff like that, like partnership,
Yeah.
So
But
yeah, there's gonna always be like lithium for this company, so they don't to be worried like, oh, we have to buy from this source, one source, and that's it.
what's your next top 5 or whatever? And then I'm gonna get Trippy's top 5. I think his is AMC.
More people are becoming vegans and all that. And also, if you actually check their balance sheet, this company, bro, like I thought this company has like some crazy debt. They literally have only like 1% out of their whole debt is backed by interest.
Let me see.
So so the whole company is pretty much funded by raising money. And this genius CEO, like he raised all this money without really that much debt, like check their debt balance. Like I'm actually quite surprised and shocked.
257 or 275. Cash.
Yeah, that's
Is that a lot for this company? How much is it worth? 1.9 billion.
yeah, but it's worth now but check the like previous evaluation.
1.9 billion. Let me look at their balance sheet over time. Does it have
Actually, I have an app. Let me check right away for you.
There's somebody else that likes, I think it's what, Jeremy? He likes the tattoo chef and the very good food company and stuff. This is I don't really know if this is my space. Provides range of plant-based dairy products made from oaks in Sweden. So it's big in your place.
Yeah, I mean it's big in Europe. It's quite big.
Ice cream. So it's pretty common where you're from. They got all this.
Yes, I mean, yeah, they're actually quite big now. Yeah, over here in Europe and Sweden.
Huh.
I mean, the thing is, their milk is not only for the vegans, but it's like for the, like lactose free, like those people that can't drink milk because it make them sick.
Yeah.
So this is like I mean, there's market for this shit. So
yeah, I've seen their. I think Greg was in here talking about this one time too. Talking about this company. Wouldn't you want to wait for them to get a little bit bigger? You think they could get bought out?
I don't know if they. I don't know.
I'm gonna throw this one on the watch list again. I don't think I had this one. What would you say your other 2 or 3 are the big ones for you? I thought you would say Polestar or something, but you staying away from it.
Nah, Polestar it is, but this is like
Your
I
watch
would say
list.
top five risky plays. Like they're risky, but I like them.
Oh, okay. I don't think that lithium's too
Polestar
risky.
is safe. For me, Polestar is a safe bet. Like it's gonna
Do its
be
thing.
yeah, it's gonna do its thing. You know, like the cars is decent. You know, it's good looking. They're expanding. This battery factory they're building by 24 is gonna help them a lot. So I think they're gonna grow. Like I don't see any back.
Yeah, exactly. Man, I need to have you on for like an actual like Polestar DD like session. You just back me up on some Polestar stuff. You know?
Plus, I just want the shit to go.
Huh? You gonna market manipulate it? Pump it up on the live stream? This one's a materials play, right? War. This is seen this one actually. We talked about this one. Explorer and developer. You're like hella material play right now.
Bro, the sector is like it hasn't been discovered by people. This is honestly, this is my opinion.
Yeah.
I think it's people think this is boring stuff.
Yeah.
But boring
Money.
stuff makes you money. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we've talked about this one before.
And the more like this company, right? This was Resource. This is gonna be one of the only companies in the US that's actually gonna mine graphite, which is a big part of the like electric body.
Yeah.
So, and I don't know, like I haven't confirmed 100%, but if I remember right, this company and what's the other one? Standard Lithium. We're actually going to be backed up by Biden. So you guys like in the US start, producing locally. So you don't need to, export from China. So this company
sounds good.
Yeah, this company like it's really small, but it has potential. Because look,
it's only $1.
It's been funded since 77, so it's actually like up and running,
Yeah, any small company that is being backed up by something bigger is always good.
How you feeling over there, Trippy? What's your top 3 plays?
And
then we're gonna do a freestyle.
My top, I have a couple.
All right, give me a couple.
But it would be like a year or two from now, they would pay out.
Which ones?
So I'm looking at silver, gold, and bricks.
Bricks? Which one's that one?
And yeah, the new currency, China, Russia, South Africa.
Is there a ticker on that one?
No, this is not just stock market stuff, but for the stock market, AMD, Nvidia probably. GME for sure, AME for sure, and Bitcoin.
I thought you were bearish on Bitcoin right now.
Yeah, but even though I am, like I said, I think it can go to like 16, 14K.
Yeah.
I do think it can reach 70K by like next year again.
Yeesh. It's crazy.
70K?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like it could go back to 70K.
He smokes a lot though, so. Am I right, Troop?
Nah, I mean, it's gonna hit 100K, but by next year?
I don't know. Too soon.
I believe so. It can.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
If it hits 70K, then the market has to be like on some crazy rally.
Or what if everything just goes digital and Bitcoin is a leader again in all of it.
What do you think about Ethereum? They're
I
gonna
think
release they're gonna release the Ethereum. What was it called?
Ethereum upside has a lot of potential. I think it can overtake Bitcoin maybe too.
Yeah, but
But
didn't they say they're gonna release the new version like September or something like that?
yeah, Ethereum 2.0.
Yeah, yeah.
That's supposed to, yeah, that when that comes out, that's supposed to send like Ethereum in like a bull run or something, you know?
I actually sold my Ethereum. Thank God.
Yeah, that's fine. I haven't held any crypto in like over a year.
But I sold it at like 3K, and then last time I checked, it was 900.
Wait, you sold at 3K?
Yeah, to like 2.9 something, like almost 3K.
For
Then
profits?
yeah, I bought Ethereum when it was $100. So
Eesh.
Nice.
That's nice. That's a
I
nice
think
dub.
Bitcoin got
but the thing is, I was actually a retard because when I bought Ethereum, like I didn't hold many of them. I instead went buying, altcoins with it, which all went trash. Like I lost quite a bit on the altcoins, to be honest.
Yeah,
A lot
imagine
of,
when
you
you remember when Bitcoin was like a couple dollars.
oh yeah. I wasn't, I,
Hey,
was, I wasn't, I wasn't like looking to crypto at that point, but when I bought my Ethereum for $100, like Bitcoin was around 2K, 3K, and I thought that was crazy expensive. Like, what the hell buys that? But then I went on a crazy one.
bro, someone said I believe Bitcoin is tied to S&P 500. What are your thoughts? What's up,
No,
Jeff? By the way,
not to the Nasdaq. It's tied to the Nasdaq. All crypto tied to the Nasdaq.
Nasdaq. That's the tech side, right?
Yeah.
So how are you feeling on Nasdaq? I'm gonna do the Nasdaq. I mean, all the charts look the same, right? Are you bullish on Bitcoin? I think a lot of people are waiting for that 15K, especially since it broke 20K now. It's like super bearish.
If you're asking
Damn,
me, then I believe Bitcoin and Ethereum is probably going to be the only really two coins that's going to be used.
survived. What about
Yeah.
Doge?
Nah, hell no, bro.
Oh no, I'm bullish on Doge.
Yeah, you gotta be bullish on Doge. Oh, Elon believes in it.
I feel like it's gonna be I feel like people are just gonna make it run though. Later on.
But Doge?
Look, like I've read a little bit about Doge. Like it's a good, it's fast transactions and all that. But I feel like Elon just pumped it, to build the Cybertruck. That's it.
Yeah.
I don't think he's actually believing in it.
Do you like Elon? Do you don't? Do you like Elon as a person? I know Tesla's a good company, but do you like him as just as a human?
Do you think he's sus?
He's kind of
He's
sus, isn't he?
yeah, he's a he's a genius though. Like he knows what he's doing.
He's sus though, right?
Bro, he's hella sus.
Yeah. He had a kid with one of his employee like
Yeah.
hiring, and then at the same time his wife or fiance had a kid too. Isn't that crazy?
He's always having twins.
Yeah. And then I heard he was like doing some hush puppy money.
I feel bad for his son. Or his name like EA something 7. The hell is that name?
You think Tesla's gonna make a big pop to the downside? It's the biggest bubble out there.
Oh, it's just expensive. Like
It's
I
not
don't know,
expensive
people.
anymore, but now it is. Like, if you gotta zoom out, it doesn't look expensive from a price. Like, it looks like an Nvidia share now, like, or you know, something similar. But if you look at like the chart, it's insane. Like 2020, $60, $50. And it's like the only thing that has like held its value, which is like kind of sus too, right? And once it pops, it's gonna pop like crazy. But the only thing that's like for shorts is that it has a cult following, so it's like people don't want to sell it. But you know how the meme people, like, they don't want to sell their stuff because they believe in it? People are gonna get burned regardless. Like, even if people don't sell their Tesla, people are gonna get burned. You know what I'm saying? They're like, AMC is like a good example, but you can tell me on this, Trippy, but people that were like so bullish on AMC and they're not gonna sell and stuff, even if people didn't sell, it's still gonna come down, you know, just because of market conditions and stuff. So I think that's Tesla. Because look, AMC has one of the biggest followings. Like, it's always like the #1 trending stock, right? And it's got like the most following, and it's still coming down, right? Dilution or whatever it is, it's still gonna affect just. What do you think, Boogie?
Bro, I hate this meme stocks. I'm sorry, but it's just I don't know, like, come on, AMC.
So
when was the last time you actually went to watch a movie? Who the hell does that anymore?
dude, I do that on. I just stream it illegally, of course. Legally, of course, right? I stream it legally. But yeah, I haven't been to a movie theater in a while. Like, my brother and them, they went to movies, but I just don't care for it. First, it's like expensive. It's not worth it. You can't take your snacks. Like, if I'm gonna spend money to go out, I'll probably do it to like do something like more fun than just look. I'm not gonna leave my house, my TV, to go to someone else's place and watch their TV. You know what I'm saying? Like, I could just most of the stuff, dude. Unless you're impatient, I'm a little impatient, but unless I'm like super impatient to watch something, I don't really care for movies as much anymore. I just wait for it to come out. Like,
How much does it like a ticket cost in the US?
10, 15.
12? Yeah, about 10, 12.
Yeah, bro, last time I checked here it was like $20, and then you have to buy the snacks and everything. Like a small popcorn thing is like $7, $8, and then you know, Coke with it. But it's, I don't know. I'm not spending 30, $40 on a
and that's where they make their most money out of. Actually, that's what Aaron said. Adam Aaron, he said most of their money actually comes from the concessions.
Shorts never covered.
Yeah, they did it, but this is what I'm just trying to say. I'm not trying to shit on AMC and stuff. AMC's got a big following, a big cult, and they're not selling, dude. It's like it's always trending on Twitter. It's always trending on Weeble and stuff, but it still got dumped on. Like BBBY was another example, right? So I think at some point Tesla will probably do the same. Like, no matter what. The only thing I would say is like Tesla investors probably come from like a more wealthier side, like, right? Tesla investors probably already have a pretty good amount of money. So they're okay with like holding and stuff. Like, they might not need the money. They might not need to sell and stuff. Versus like AMC, it's like people actually trying to get rich off of stock. So it's like retail, like actual retail, right? Whereas Tesla investors are probably like well off, so they might not need to sell. But I feel like retail on AMC would probably sell before retail on Tesla sells.
What do you guys think about this Cohen guy?
Cohen? I don't know, Trippy. What do you think?
I don't like how people idolize this guy, but I think he knows what he's doing. I feel like the BBBY sell-off, I feel like that's nothing. I feel like he's gonna buy some GME shares.
He was smart about it, though.
Yeah, he's a good scammer.
He did good. I mean, he sold Chewy for.
I think GME's gonna run still.
Yeah. It does kind of bring that little like trust thing to it now, though. Like, is GME like really? Is he really doing GME for the people still, or is it another BNY? You know? Why? Why are you? What are your thoughts, Boogie? You don't like
I
him?
just no, I don't like them. I don't like Jimmy. I don't like AMC. I'm sorry. Like, I just don't see value. Like who actually go to a store to buy a game? When was the last time you have done that? Why would I
Yeah.
take my car, drive to a game shop to buy a game when I can do the same with like 2 clicks on Steam, right away. I just don't see the point of it, like sure it's like I mean, I don't know, it's like an nostalgia feeling, to it. But it's
Yeah.
just honestly, like I don't see the business.
I think with GME, what they're trying to do is like enter the NFT stuff, and then they're also trying to do like maybe gaming competitions, because gaming competitions is kind of a thing for real. It could be not in this environment, but I think it could be something. Like you know what gaming competitions are, like for gamers. I think that esports stuff is growing bigger.
Yeah, like esports. Are they gonna get into esports?
I think they're trying to do that. Is that right, Trippy, or no?
Maybe.
Trippy's the GME. He's
But
a meme guru.
yeah, bro, but like esports not gonna make them millions. It's still, still like really actually early stages.
Yeah, they're trying to reconstruct their current stores to have or host those tournaments and stuff, so they can make money off like tons of shit just by hosting. And I think that's my thought. I don't follow it, but or not anymore. But I don't know where this is going. It looks like a good opportunity to start getting shares on it, or like had a big sell off, like 20, 15%. What is this? 30%. Fuck. It's down 30%. Sheesh.
Oof.
Huh?
Oh no, oof.
Hey, Jimmy. Would you buy GME or AMC, Trippy? If you only had to buy one.
Shit. I would buy. Looking at my positions, I'm all right. I think I want to buy some silver.
Mm. Yeah, but
I would
I
say
mean,
go for the orange gold, copper.
Yeah, copper is gonna be good too.
If you check Vibe Chat, actually, this is my metal watch list. I need to update. Like I need to add more, do more research.
these are
But
all like German companies or Swedish companies, Canadian companies.
yeah, bro, a lot of the metal companies are actually Canadian. So I don't know if you can buy them, but
That's
I mean,
the this is
Canada is like famous for mining, so they have a lot of mines. They actually they like mining friendly country. Like government, they encourage mining and stuff. Not like here in Europe, like environment, bro.
yeah. It's just when I get into like a list like this, it's like which one do you pick? Like they're all like a few dollars, but like how do you know which one you like the most? Like Sierra Metals, Western Copper. Like which one do you pick, or which one are you more into?
I'm sure if you do the DD, all of these will be really great companies. It would be luck that would have to be on your side at that point.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Yeah.
the first ones, like the Rio Tinto, Southern Copper is like a big company. It's they're actually in Arizona, if I'm not mistaken. They have like a mine in Arizona, I think, in Nevada. This is like a big US company. They're good. Like this is a billion company. Uh, this turquoise, I don't know how you pronounce that. This is a good company too. Like they're making money. Sigma
Turquoise.
Lithium, these guys they make money. The more risky ones, from like Hudbay downwards, this is the risky ones. Hudbay, they making money like this. Actually, they have like up running mines. But then all these others, like they are companies. It's just they have small mines. Like one of them you might get lucky with one of them, and just I don't know, like 2x your money, 3x. I don't know. They are good companies, but they're small. I'm taking risk on them. So.
Oh, sorry. Trippy, you want to do one more freestyle?
Yeah, we don't have any more DD to talk
I don't know.
about.
You got anything, Boogie? What you got? What DD you got? Trippy, you ain't got nothing left? What about you, Boogie?
I'm saving my DD for the second.
For what?
For the second next month.
Yeah, that's gonna be a long time though.
It's in like 2 days.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh fuck! What day is it? Everybody's got to mark their calendar.
Friday.
Oh, this Friday? Fuck,
Yep.
that's coming up right away. I guess we can save it for that then. It's gonna be a big day.
This is the job report, right, on Friday?
Yeah, I think it is. Let me look real quick. I don't know actually. News, economic calendar. This week. Let's go. What's today? Sunday? No, today's Monday. No, today's Tuesday. Is there anything tomorrow? Let's look. German import index.
Yeah.
GDP for Canada. USA crude oil inventories, gasoline inventories. This is all Wednesday. CPI. Let me just do US.
Were you guys following the phase short squeeze in the morning? Did any of you guys look into that?
Nah, what's that?
Phase, the esports org.
Who are they? What do they do?
They're an esports team.
No, I haven't
Dude,
seen it.
in my opinion, they're overpriced. Last time I checked, they were like $15.
They are overpriced.
Clear. I was looking for the clear
Oh,
part.
how the heck can you like the shares goes for $15 and I checked like last quarter they made 25 million or something. Like, well, how the hell? It's making no sense.
Phase, what's the ticker? FAZ?
FAZE.
Phase Holdings? Oof.
What? It's 24 now?
$18.
It traded to 24 in the morning.
It went to 24. Do they have a website?
Oh, I thought $15 were like too
bro.
much for this.
Hey, this guy's acting like he don't even know phase existed.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Or is a boomer?
I'm not a boomer. I don't follow gaming.
True.
How much do they make?
I mean, a year or say 100 million, maybe 150 million.
Look at the investor relations page. These guys, they own the company, or they're just recruiters? They're just players.
No. These guys are like
it's a team.
Recruiters, like it's like they're just doing partnership. Kyle Murray, LeBron.
The guy holding the ball is one of the creators, though, and then the guy on the far right.
That's Murray.
Pretty sure that's no, the one next to him holding the basketball.
What was his name? FaZe Rug, right? Or something like that?
FaZe Rug, yeah. And then to the left, he recently became a co-founder, or not a co-founder, like a co-leader or something. No, the guy.
Murray, though?
Yeah, I believe so.
I didn't know Murray was in this.
Yeah, they have a couple of athletes in their team. Like LeBron James' son was also in the cover.
LeBron Faze James Jr., Little Yachi, Snoop Dogg, sheesh, Kyler. Why are people buying this though? You think it's worth it?
Bro, I know for a fact there's some crime going on behind the stock.
What you mean? Like from these guys or from like
From Phase, I believe so, yeah.
yeah.
Just because there was a lot of like back in the day there was a lot of like allegations with the whole Phase thing with crypto pumps and shit.
Mm-hmm.
You know, where they just for like
Here's
a
a
quick money
report.
grab.
They reported second quarter earnings.
Yeah, they made like
18 million.
24. I think
18
yeah,
million.
that's trash.
Damn, that's nothing. That's crazy. They've got a 1 billion market cap.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
You guys done some DD on some gas companies? Not oil, but you know, like natural gas for heating and stuff.
Nah. What are we supposed to look for?
Just some companies like
We got government payrolls, manufacturing payrolls, non-farm payrolls. I think that's what it is. We got the jobs on Thursday. Jobless claims Thursday. Non-farm productive PMI. ISM PMI is big. And non-farm payrolls. Unemployment rate. Oof.
yeah, this is the one.
Yeah, this is gonna be on Friday. We're gonna do the DD live stream on Friday then. Jump
Yeah.
on. And we'll with you.
It's gonna be crazy.
I got you. What were you saying about gas, Boogie?
Yeah, I don't know. Like, have you guys looked into it? I'm gonna do some DD over the weekend because I think like because of how much it's gonna
go up,
cost. Yeah, go up, and it's gonna be like the cost for Europe.
Wouldn't it be
Some
natural
companies,
gas?
yeah, like natural gas. I think like some
Yeah.
companies might actually make money this year.
Yeah, I've got a few that I mean, I've been watching you. This one's still early. Like
Do you have like a list, like a screenshot, or like a watch list, or?
no, I don't have a screenshot. It's just you, and then UNG's the natural one, the natural gas. But this one's
Yeah, I've been
random.
following UNG.
If you do find more natural gas companies that might be running, I'd be interested in those. Because UUU is the only one that I follow right now. CCIJ, I think, is the other one people are talking about. This one's starting to break out.
I'm gonna use Simply Wall Street. It's actually a really good website. I don't know if you know about this website, Simply Wall Street.
What does it do? Does it correlate companies similar to it?
Oh, wait, I can share. Let me log in.
I need a website that will show you a company that's related to a company. I think CCIG is the one that people have been pumping right now. UUU is the sleeper one that I think needs to get some eyes on. But let me you ready for this freestyle, Trippy?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh wait, I think Boogie's sharing something.
Yeah, so this is Simply Wall Street.
Give me 1 sec. I can't. It won't show up for some reason.
Oh, it's not working?
Here we go. Did you end up buying what is that?
This website?
Yeah.
So basically, like, give me a name, like some ticket.
AMC. No, do like CrowdStrike. CRWD. CrowdStrike. Yeah, CrowdStrike.
Yeah, so this is like basically show like valuation, future growth, stuff like that.
Simply Wall Street.
Yeah, yeah. Past performance, the financial
is it a
health.
free or is it you pay for it or free?
There's like a free version, but this one I paid for it.
Oh. Does it show like companies that are similar to this one?
What do you mean?
Like correlations? Like if I was to invest in Uber, then it would show Lyft and yeah.
Not sure, but you can go and discover. This is like makes it basically easy to find stocks. So if I want to like go on energy stocks, I've got a bunch of energy stocks here, you know.
Okay.
If I want to go like see this is they added this new like a new lithium screener. Actually, a lot of these companies are on my list already. But yeah, like this is a good way to find stocks fast, basically.
Gotcha. I might use that. You said they have a free version just to try it out.
Yeah, so like you see high insider buying. This shows like all the stocks that have a lot of high insider buying.
See.
I find it actually quite useful. Like one of the best website I've actually found. It just saves you a lot of time, you know. Like I don't need to
go find them. Yeah, I see.
You know. See, like
I want to take a look at that one. I use a couple other ones, but they don't you know, put them in groups for me. I just gotta go find them individual. I'm gonna wrap up this live stream. You ready for this? You gonna jump on this freestyle, Boogeyman?
I pass.
Huh?
No, I pass.
You pass? You ready, Trippy? You still here? Trippy, he dipped. I think he dipped. Yo, Trippy. That man fell asleep on us. Where's he at? We might have to skip it then. He's probably with his dog. So you're not gonna trade anything no more? You're just gonna chill?
Bro, I'm gonna go big all in, you know, like.
Huh?
I'm just gonna wait and go all in. If I get screwed, you know.
On shares though, right?
Yeah, but like, this is gonna be my probably biggest investment.
And then when is that? When are you gonna do that? Because the bottom's not in, right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait.
Wait till when?
What? Like this crash, you're gonna know when it's happened. It's not like, oh, it's gonna, you know, happen and then, oh, I missed it. No, this is like 2008 level type of shit, you know. Like you're gonna know when it's time to buy, because I do feel like there's more, you know, there's more to take, to give. We're not done. We're not done. And then I'm just gonna buy, you know, wait. It might take months, might take a year. I don't know, but hopefully if I triple my money, I'm gonna be millionaire.
For real?
Yeah. Well, I've been saving, you know.
That's smart.
Buy some minerals.
Yeah, that's what we gonna do. You ready for this freestyle, Trippy? I'm trying to get out of here, cause I gotta go. It's off the dome.
Yeah, of course.
All right. Boogie said he's gonna step in here for reverse.
Oh, that sounds good.
Oh shit. That's it?
Hey. Not this one?
Yeah.
You're going
Hey,
first?
hey. No, you go.
Hey. Wait, restart. You keep
Alright,
talking,
bet.
man. Stop talking.
Stop talking. Okay, my bad. Shit. Well, we still gotta do the A though.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna hop in with some A real quick.
Hey. Yeah, counting the wob, sipping the wob. Can't you see I'm not on your blog? Yeah, I'm from the 72, yeah, uh-huh. Wait, hold up.
What the fuck? He dipped. Damn, what a bust. He messed up. I'm gonna end this shit. Yo, do you don't wanna hop on real quick? Boogie? What a mess. This man straight up dipped, bro. Well, he dipped. He messed up. He was on there. Yo, I'm gonna wrap up this live stream though. Appreciate the people who showed up. You wanna hop on a live stream next time, Boogie? If you can, if you want, you can. Talk some Polestar or something. For real. But just let me know. I think that's gonna wrap it up though. See you guys in the next stream.